Moving can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk you through the benefits of choosing full-service movers and what to expect during your relocation process. So, what exactly is a full-service move? Simply put, a full-service move means that the moving company takes care of everything. From providing moving materials and packing up your items to transporting them to your new location and unpacking them, we do it all. Packing and unpacking can be the most time-consuming part of moving. But with full-service movers, we handle the packing for you, ensuring your items are carefully wrapped and protected. And once you arrive at your new home, we'll even unpack your items and place them where you want them. Full-service movers also handle furniture disassembly and reassembly. Moving large, bulky furniture is tricky, but our professional movers make it look easy. We'll break down your furniture and put it back together in your new home. Full-service moves offer several advantages, like efficiency, convenience, and peace of mind. You won't have to lift a finger, and your belongings will be handled by professionals every step of the way. However, the main downside is the cost, as full-service moves tend to be more expensive than other options. Ready to plan your move? 3 Movers offers a range of full-service options to make your relocation as smooth and stress-free as possible.